Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today I'm going to test this beautiful Profitec espresso machine. It comes leaking from many spots with the broken water tank base. I replaced the broken water tank base, replaced the seal for the water tank, solved the around the water level sensor from where it was like leaking, and another spot sealed it again and make tune up for the machine. Let's go ahead, test it, and make an espresso shot on it. It's a great shot and creamy. I'm using not that good coffee just for testing, but still nice. Let's go ahead and test the steamer. It works good. See the hot water. It's great too. Start filling up right away. That means the water level sensor works great. Thank you for watching.